Pine cone art, a creative exploration. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating and creative topic: pine cone art. Pine cones, those small, woody parts of pine trees, can be transformed into amazing artworks. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about arts and crafts, this video will explore the world of pine cone art in a simple and engaging way. Pine cone art involves creating decorative items or crafts using pine cones. These cones, typically found beneath pine trees, come in various shapes and sizes and can be used in their natural form or painted. From simple projects like holiday decorations to more complex sculptures, pine cone art is both versatile and accessible. Pine cones have a rich history in art and symbolism. They are often associated with growth, fertility, and the cycle of life. In this section, we'll explore how different cultures have used pine cones in their art and what these unique creations symbolize. Now, let's get hands-on. We'll walk through a simple project to create a beautiful pine cone decoration. This guide will be easy to follow, with clear steps and tips to ensure your first pine cone artwork is a success. As you explore pine cone art, you might come across new vocabulary and expressions. Here, we'll go over some useful English phrases and words related to art and crafts, helping you improve your language skills while enjoying this creative hobby. Thank you for joining me in this artistic journey through the world of pine cone art. I hope this video has inspired you to try your hand at creating something unique and also helped in enhancing your English language skills. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with your creations.